Rachel from Bunny and Thread, and I'm here at Sewing Machines UK in Gillingham, and I've got the Brother A series here to show you, and we're just going to talk through the differences with the machines, because they're all the same size, all the same shape, but they do have slight differences as you go up the range, so you can really pick and choose your favourite features as to what you need for your sewing machine. So we'll start off with the A16. So another tip actually is all the numbers of the machines, the name of the machines of the number of stitches they have, which is a nice reminder. So the A16 has 16 stitches. You have got, it's a really nice selection of your basic everyday stitches, so straight stitches, zigzags, overcasting stitches, that kind of thing, your blind hems as well. You've got a really nice blanket stitch here, feather stitch, and 3 one-step buttonholes as well. The first ones in the range have got a jog dial, so it's really easy to change your stitch and view your stitches here on this one in the window, just above the jog dial. All of the machines have got a really easy one-step needle threader as well, so you just bring your thread through and then pull the lever down, which threads the needle, which is a lot easier than those kind of manual needle threaders. So they've all got that threader, which is fab. So that is the A16, really nice, compact. It's a great one for classes. There's a second machine. You just want something a bit lightweight. Comes with a soft cover as well. Moving on to the A50, so you've got 50 stitches here. So the difference really with this one is you've got those extra stitches that are more of your decorative kind of stitches. So you've got some, you've got a leaf pattern there, a little sort of Greek style design here, and some cross stitch and little stars and things like that here as well. You've also got a twin needle button. Now you can do a twin needle on this machine, but with your twin needle button it tells you if you have picked a stitch that isn't suitable for twin needle, so it's a bit of a warning for you, just a bit of a guide as to what you need to use for your twin needle or not. So that's quite handy if you use twin needle quite a lot. And then your next one in the range is the A60. So again, 10 more stitches than the previous model. This one comes with a hardcover as well, so this one's a great leap up from the A50, and also you've got some additional decorative stitches and buttonholes as well on that one. And then we are at the A80, so again hardcover, more stitches again, 20 more stitches, and the stitches that you get with this one, you've got some really nice quirky stitches, so like your cars, your bikes, the little bumblebee, stars and hearts and things like that. So really good if you're doing any sort of decorative work for kids' clothes or bags or anything like that is great to use. And then we move on to the A150. So the top of the range, I'll just scoot down this way. Top of the range in this A series range, you've got your stitches displayed on the top here on a stitch card, because you have so many, so they don't fit on here anymore. And also you have a different method of selecting your stitches. So you have your keypad. All your stitches are broken down into different menus, as you can see at the top here. And then you've also got, I'll turn this around, you've got your lettering. So you've got the 3 styles of English letters, English fonts, and you've also got Japanese as well. So you can choose the different styles there. And also what's great with this one is you can combine all of your decorative and your fonts together, so you can create your own combinations and styles as you need to, and save them also in the memory as well. So, and again, a hardcover with this one too. So that is the A series. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out any of these machines, you can look at the Sewing Machines UK website, which is www.sewingmachinesuk.co.uk, where you can find contact details as well if you're interested in any of the models here. Also, if you have any questions, drop a comment below, and I'll see you on the next video.